Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the BrosTrend Wireless Access Point wall plug AC1200 Wi-Fi access point and the accompanying 1200 megabits per second USB Wi-Fi network adapter for Windows the 8th of October 11/7. We'll cover the key features, performance, and benefits of this bundle, so you can make an informed decision. The BrosTrend bundle offers both a wireless access point and a USB Wi-Fi network adapter. The wireless access point allows you to create a new Wi-Fi network, turning your wired connection into a wireless one. The USB Wi-Fi network adapter provides a fast and reliable wireless connection for your laptop or desktop PC. The wireless access point operates on dual bands, offering speeds of up to 867 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band and 300 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band. This means you can enjoy smooth streaming, lightning-fast downloads, and lag-free online gaming. The wireless access point comes equipped with 2 external antennas, which boost signal strength and coverage. It's perfect for extending your Wi-Fi range to remote areas in your home that your router may not reach. The USB Wi-Fi network adapter is compatible with Windows the 8th of October 11.1, 8/7, making it a versatile choice for most Windows-based PCs. It's a plug-and-play device, so setup is a breeze. This bundle is a great deal, as it offers both the wireless access point and USB Wi-Fi network adapter at a discounted price. You save $14.99 compared to buying them separately. While we don't have customer reviews for this video, we encourage you to check out user feedback on the product's Amazon page to hear from real users. In summary, the BrosTrend Wireless Access Point wall plug AC1200 Wi-Fi access point and USB Wi-Fi network adapter bundle is a versatile and cost-effective solution for improving your wireless connectivity. Whether you need to extend your Wi-Fi range or upgrade your PC's wireless capabilities, this bundle has you covered. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews, and leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.